If you need a quick, easy breakfast for on the go, make this high protein smoothie with 64 grams of protein and 550 calories. It'll keep you full, give you energy, and help you with your weight loss goals. So quick note, if you're looking to lose weight, you gotta restrict your calories. So treat this smoothie as a meal replacement. All right, let's go ahead and get started. You need one blender. We're gonna add a cup of skim milk. I like to use Fairlife's fat-free ultra-filtered milk. We're gonna add a half cup of non-fat plain Greek yogurt, a fourth of a cup of old-fashioned oats. So the old-fashioned oats are gonna be good for fiber and a complex carb, giving you sustained energy. A tablespoon of chia seeds, and the chia seeds are gonna add fiber and omega-3s. I'm gonna add some PB Fit for some flavor and a protein boost. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of PB Fit. And then we're gonna go 1 scoop of vanilla protein powder. I'm using Isopure Zero Carb protein powder. And then lastly, I'm gonna throw in some frozen fruit for some flavor and antioxidants. So we're gonna add about a cup's worth of the fruit and just a couple ice cubes. All right, let's go ahead and blend it. All right, once we got it all blended up, we're gonna pour it into our to-go cup. And there you go, a quick, easy breakfast you could take on the go if you're just having one of those busy mornings. Yeah, it's good. If you're looking for another way to get your protein intake up, I reviewed Protein Shake, the vanilla from Costco. Check out that video right here.